much. From bullet gone, me thought fret. Me don't know. Anytime bullet go, me thought fret. Bullet gone, no, me thought fret.
Boy, close it. Hey.
Oh God.
Also, turn it down a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay? Turn it on.
Our CMR people them come over here so come.
Alright guys, get to work now.
Besides begging us some rules. People, rest of people in the live, we can drop some rules now. We can drop some rules so we get the speed. The rest of people them over here, we can drop some rules so we get the speed, please. Guys, the rest of people them over here, guys, you can drop some rules. We need some rules to get the speed. We can drop some rules on top of the screen. Drop some rules, drop some rules. Come on, guys, man, you can drop some rules, guys. We want the speed, you know.
Tap up the screen, guys. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Tap up the screen, guys.
Appreciate the rules, man. Thank you so much. Oh.
Alright, guys. We're a couple times here. Tap us, go to work, you know. You know what thing is. Tap, tap.
I mean, share, roasted days.
Tap, tap, tap.
I mean, share, roasted days, share. Roasted days.
Hey.
Yeah, man, 40 rows in my face, man. 41 rows in my face, man. Hold on on that. Alright, see? Live life, come. Live life, come. Team, guys, live life, come. Listen to me on my side. Live life, come over there. Live life, I go shoot big over there. Live life, come. You say if you win that one, yeah, a 5 we gone. You say, team, do not depend upon the shooter if you get the speed. The people that can drop one little rows or 10 rows. Some of the drop 10 rows get the speed for me, and 1 rows and they get the speed. Beside, the woman come over there again, guys. Get the speed, get it, guys. Please, live life over there again. It's like live life over come upon me, because every time she come, I can't get the speed. Beside, get the speed, live life, come, get the speed. Guys, get the speed. Get the speed, live life over there, get the speed. Get the speed, please. Get the speed. Jesus Christ, live life. Oh, calm, King. Calm. Bullet, that's okay. That's okay, Bullet. No worry yourself. No worry yourself, Bullet. That's okay. Live life over there now. Live life I shoot over there now. Alright, here we're gonna do. We're gonna use the gloves. What? Yo, someone is sick, brother. We just say we followers. Brother, I'm not time to argue with people like you. Just block you from my life and done. Me not time for Jesus Christ. What we are gonna do? Drop the gloves now. I don't want to drop the gloves too late. Bullet, drop the gloves, bullet, drop the gloves. Bullet, me tell you what you're gonna do, bullet. We're gonna use do not activate the speed first, because when you use the do not to activate the speed, then if you drop on wheel panny, you're gonna see where you can go on. So drop the gloves now. And we use do not. We use do not and activate the speed. Then we can drop any big if we have. Alright now, use donut maybe, use donut. Just use donut, just donut. Yeah. Alright, activate now. If you have nothing for drop now, drop it on it now before it's speed done. Any little thing for drop it on it now. Because it activate the speed, it gloves activate now. So anything you have to drop on it, drop it. Bumbo clot! How about that? A bomb rice! Why? Why? Shoot! Shoot! Shoot!
Boy, pick it up. Right, I don't live like that, so.
Jesus Christ, God Almighty. Father God, live like man. Boy, I don't know, people, you know, just don't pack. People, you know, can't, guys, why is so much money over here? Hey, no, she did help me. Look at now. Look at now, let me show you something.
Live life.
CMR have 1, 2,
Jack,
3, 4,
Jack.
5 somebody over there helping.
Aquarian.
5 somebody and look how no slung for people life. Yo, me I tell you to bomb one right here.
You want help, man.
Yo, she did. No, nobody for the life could drop a help.
Say thank you, live life. Come here. Say thank you, live life. Thank you, Jack.
Bully, thank you so much. Bully, thank you so much. You're trying to tell me, say, nobody for the life. You just help her.
That is it. That is it. Hold on, Ossie. Hold on.
Oh, boy.
Your time the on the waiting list. That is it.
Bullet, you bad no bomb on rice now.
King. You got me? You think bullet alone can save you?